हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू स्पाइसी विकेट क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट। और जैसे आप देख रहे हो कि वी आर प्रीटी कमिटेड टू दिस क्रिकेट पॉडकास्ट, दैट्स व्हाई वी वांट टू ब्रिंग अनदर टेक जो इंडिया वर्सेस ऑस्ट्रेलिया की सीरीज होने वाली है इस महीने। एंड यू गाइस सॉ द स्क्वाड एंड खुशी की लहर दौड़ गई सबके फैंस के बीच में जब देखा कि रोहित और विराट कोहली इज बैक इन द स्क्वाड। बट देन वेयर इज द सी मार्क अगेंस्ट रोहित शर्मा's name? I think we got to know that he's no longer the captain. Sameer, क्या हमारा 2027 क्रिकेट वर्ल्ड कप का सपना टूट गया?
It is in danger for sure. Ajit Agarkar ने statement दिया, both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are non-committal about the 2027 World Cup. So, what is the meaning of non-committal? Non-committal is a person not expressing or revealing commitment to a definite course of action. So, यहाँ पे बात हो रही है 2027 World Cup की. So, what according to Ajit Agarkar, Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli are not committing themselves for 2027 World Cup. I think that is just plain wrong.
या दैट्स पीस ऑफ क्रैप फॉर श्योर। अगर नॉन कमिटल होते तो 11 किलो वजन नहीं कम करता कोई भी इंसान।
11 किलो वजन कम किया है, वड़ा पाव खाना छोड़ दिया है, छोले भटूरे खाने छोड़ दिए लोगों ने.
दैट इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ कमिटमेंट।
Exactly. And jokes aside, both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli have retired from Test cricket as well as T20 just to focus and commit to 2027 World Cup, which is the top priority for their own careers, both Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. And honestly, that is the top priority for Indian cricket at the moment. क्योंकि वो 2027 का जो ODI ट्रॉफी है, that is what has been away from India for a long time now. And
Yeah.
Indian cricket, BCCI, including Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, and all Indian players, top priority is the ODI World Cup 2027. So
Yeah.
ये बोलना कि वो लोग committed नहीं है, it's not true. I can see they are obviously 100%, 110% committed to the 2027 World Cup.
Yeah, I mean, they might not be able to play all domestic matches, but that doesn't give them like थोड़े इसकी वजह से कोई commitment issues नहीं आनी चाहिए. I think सबको पता ही है रोहित शर्मा always sees the ODI cricket World Cup is part of his wish list. I think that's the ultimate goal, right? जब भी वो खेलना start भी किया था, I think ODI World Cup was always at the top. And you mention भी किया था उसने कि it would be nice and it would be great if he gets to play the 2027 World Cup. And जो भी तैयारियां दिख रही है हमें सोशल मीडिया पे through various like posts or stuff, I think he is taking a look at the bigger picture and he is showing that commitment towards that tournament.
Exactly. And in terms of captaincy, my plain opinion is that if there is a 11-member squad, if there is a person who is a better captain, that person should be the captain of the team. That is as simple as that. Of course, there are different thought processes here, but
Yeah,
in
I mean,
simple terms,
yeah.
best captain should be the captain.
I mean, if you see objectively, if you take a look at it objectively, I get the reasoning why they want to kind of pass the baton to someone as young as Shubman Gill. I think maybe it's probably the right time to do that, but I don't like the fact जिस तरीके से उन्होंने किया. मतलब अगर ऐसा ही था तो things could have been more transparent with the fans. I think fans की जो sentiments रहते हैं towards legendary players like Rohit and Kohli, they go above and beyond. So I think the team management जो think tank ये जो decisions ले रहा है, it should not be just through like an Instagram post or through like a press conference. Proper passing of baton होना चाहिए था. Maybe they could have done is like Rohit could have got another series to captain, and then उसके end में he himself would have just said कि हाँ, you know what, मेरा time हो रहा है, and taking a look at a bigger picture, I would like to pass this captaincy to Shubman Gill. जो कहीं ना कहीं cases हुआ था in terms of धोनी and कोहली जब
Exactly.
way back. So वो transparency ना दिखी थी एट द टाइम ऑफ मुंबई इंडियंस कैप्टेंसी का जो फियास्को हुआ था, और ना अभी दिखी है. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाई ये बार बार रोहित शर्मा के साथ ही क्यों होता.
Seriously, I mean, yeah, like you said, BCCI इंडिया क्रिकेट के फैंस इतने डिवोटेड है इंडियन क्रिकेट को लेके कि
Yeah.
they definitely the fans deserve more transparency in terms of these decisions. And जो आगरकर ने statement दिया कि whatever happens it is between me and Rohit. No, this is not your private matter.
The world needs to know.
Yeah, Indian fans deserve to know this.
Absolutely. एक इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट ही डलवा देते यार उससे
Exactly.
कि
Something.
this is the
Give us
next guy.
something, right?
Yeah.
But I guess I mean, yeah, objectively looking at it, I understand. I still disagree, but I understand.
Yeah,
However,
yeah. I we saw it coming, like कभी ना कभी ये होना ही था. But whether this is the right moment to do that, I don't know. Maybe I think they erred on the fact कि maybe like अगले साल end of the year अगर rhythm नहीं रही, अगर वो in touch नहीं रहे cricket के या form नहीं रहा, so there would be probably no, like it would be a harder time then to kind of find another captain and give that captain like another, maybe like some time to adjust with the team. So I think 2 साल तो देना चाहते हैं वो किसी new captain को with the team.
my biggest fear is Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli saying we are done with this bullshit, we are retiring.
या भाई वो आ रहा है, मेरे को तो लग रहा है कि ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया सीरीज फाइनल सीरीज होगी.
I hope
और
not.
उसके बाद
I hope not.
उसके बाद आई होप नॉट टू, बट उसके बाद आई डोंट वांट टू सी एनी इंस्टाग्राम पोस्ट. आई थिंक वो दिल थाम के बैठेंगे सब लोग टू सी वेदर कोई रिटायरमेंट का पोस्ट तो नहीं आ गया, बिकॉज दिस इज प्लेन लाइक यू नो बुलशिट हैपनिंग राइट नाउ.
Yeah, but well,
But
let's
talk about legacy of our captain, जो you know ex captain हमारा है अब. When you think of him, like what do you think of his captaincy?
I think especially in the one day format, he has been one of the best captains, not just for India, but
Hmm.
for the in the world. He's been the best
Yeah.
captain. Just looking at the win percentage in ODIs,
Yeah.
he is only behind the great Clive Lloyd, जो वेस्ट इंडीज का कैप्टन था जिसने लगातार 2 वनडे
World Cups.
जीते हैं.
Yeah.
आई मीन उसका नाम वही वेन में लिया जाएगा जैसे क्लाइव लॉयड, रोहित शर्मा, रिकी पॉन्टिंग,
Yeah. Yep.
हैंसी क्रोनिये,
Yeah.
and of course
Absolutely.
Virat Kohli as well. But
Yeah.
what a captain he has been for Indian cricket.
Yeah.
75% win percentage, and especially in multinational tournaments, he has been the best captain, even above Clive Lloyd, really.
Yep.
And Ricky
Yep.
Ponting. These are already legends of the game that we are talking about.
Yeah, if you see, like I think he started captaining, and then 2023 World Cup, it was like an extraordinary campaign. We didn't win, but I think that was some of the best cricket India ever played. उसके बाद 2024 T20 World Cup, Asia Cup 2023 also, and then all the way to Champions Trophy. So these are some high like ICC knockout ICC tournaments को देखा जाए तो he's right up there.
Yeah, or although we did not win the 2023 World Cup at home, वो जो थॉट प्रोसेस का ट्रांजिशन वही वर्ल्ड
Yeah.
कप में इम्प्लीमेंट भी हुआ और देखने को भी मिला. एंड
Yeah.
although we didn't win that one match against
Yeah.
Australia, but जो बिलीफ लाया रोहित शर्मा ने पूरे टीम में,
Yeah.
पूरे इंडिया में, एंड आई मीन दैट इज कमेंडेबल. प्लस
Yeah.
वो वर्ल्ड कप नहीं जीते, बट उसके बाद जो जीते आए हैं हम,
Yeah.
T20 वर्ल्ड कप, चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी,
Yeah.
ODI, and now Asia Cup.
Yeah.
All these victories
This-
are somewhat
Yeah.
attributed to Rohit Sharma's captaincy because जो उसने belief लाया है टीम में.
Yeah, and if you see, I think legacy define होती है obviously win से, but मुझे लगता है उससे ज्यादा legacy define होती है philosophy से. और जो philosophy रोहित शर्मा ने लाई, if you remember 2022 T20 World Cup में we lost by like 10 wickets against England. रोहित शर्मा came out and said we have to change the brand of cricket that we play. DK को साइड में लिया, बोला कि you know what, मैं जो चाहता हूँ टीम से मैं खुद करके दिखाऊंगा. I will walk the talk. I will give you that start, and that kind of was evident with the way he played right after that.
क्या बात
So-
बोली है अभिनव, कि मैच not by winning the match but by getting that philosophy. Yeah, I 100% agree with that.
So I think like वो पूरा blueprint set कर दिया था उसने, and जिसके fruits we are like kind of relishing right now also.
Exactly.
If you see तो जो change आया है कि पहले बॉल से जो अभिषेक शर्मा आके कॉन्फिडेंस से मारता है, वो कहाँ से आया है? वो आई थिंक रोहित शर्मा ने दिखाया है कि किस तरीके से हमें चेंज करना चाहिए. So that was just like, I think that plays a big part of his philosophy as well.
Yeah, I don't think Ajit Agarkar is understanding the importance of the philosophy, the change in philosophy that Rohit Sharma has gotten into
Yeah.
Indian cricket. And
Yeah. So that is like I don't know what thought process is going on. I hope वो communication अच्छी रही हो between the selector and Rohit Sharma, because I hope they are on the same page, because otherwise it will kind of reflect in the performance as well.
exactly.
But yeah, squad पे आते हैं. Like what is the ODI squad which will go ahead and play against Australia? So this is basically for our three. I think we playing 3 ODI matches down under.
Yeah.
So yeah, Shubman Gill is our captain, along with you get to see Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. You also see Yashasvi Jaiswal, which is, I think, a clear indication
तलवार
कि भाई तलवार, हाँ,
वो
exactly.
रोहित शर्मा के गले में तलवार है अभी यशस्वी जायसवाल का वहां पे होना.
Yeah. What do you have to say about Shreyas Iyer being the vice captain now?
Yeah, definitely well deserved. Well, I would have picked him as the captain really in ODIs.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean, Shreyas Iyer has been part of this successful Indian team for a long time now. He is very experienced. उसने मुंबई रणजी टीम का भी कैप्टनसी किया है, केकेआर का आईपीएल में कैप्टनसी किया है, प्लस पंजाब एज वेल.
इंडिया ए का भी कैप्टन है अब वो.
इंडिया ए का भी कैप्टन है. So yeah, well deserved leadership role. I would have picked him as a captain also.
Yeah.
But of course not over Rohit Sharma. But the fact that Shubman Gill is the captain, I don't think there is anything wrong with that.
Yeah. No. I mean,
Nothing
no.
against
Obviously,
Shubman Gill, yeah.
nothing against him for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I don't see how Shubman Gill and Shreyas Iyer are going to collaborate on decision making because they are both very young. They are both. In fact, I think Shreyas Iyer थोड़ा बड़ा ही है शुभमन गिल से.
Yeah.
So I think
Seniority is high for sure.
yeah. So in terms of, I can totally see Shreyas Iyer being a vice captain to someone like Rohit Sharma or Virat Kohli or even KL Rahul.
Yeah.
But my only concern is how the camaraderie between Shubman Gill and Shreyas Iyer is going to be. But I hope they are both mature cricketers. They'll figure it out.
Like I think it matters how Shubman Gill collaborates with Gigi rather than how he collaborates with Shreyas Iyer. आज की तारीख में तो यही देखने को मिला है. But yeah, like we are.
Maybe he can take some tips from Harshit Rana, the next captain.
Yeah. Maybe the next ICC chairman. Who knows? जिस तरीके से चल रहा.
BCCI president, next captain.
Yeah.
And coach even. I don't know क्या secrets लेके बैठा है हर्षित राणा. I don't know. Exactly. Maybe he is politically connected somehow.
Maybe he has some videos of Gigi that we don't know. Who knows?
Gigi.
But yeah, आगे चलते. KL Rahul and Dhruv Jurel are our wicket keepers. Dhruv Jurel got a chance to be in the part of, I think, good decision coming from like अभी टेस्ट क्रिकेट में जिस तरीके से टेम्परमेंट दिखाई है.
Yeah, definitely. Dhruv Jurel, exciting talent. Good to see him as part of this ODI squad. Especially when Rishabh Pant is still injured.
Absolutely.
And of course, KL Rahul, I think, will be the first choice keeper batsman.
Yeah.
In the playing 11.
Yeah. Nitish Kumar Reddy comes in place of Hardik Pandya, who kind of loses out because of the injury sustained end of Asia Cup में.
Yeah.
But then again, like उसके बाद एक और बड़ी खबर ये थी कि we don't see Ravindra Jadeja here in the squad. What does that mean for him?
That was also a shocker.
Yeah.
I mean, it is not just about Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Ravindra Jadeja is also now one of the legends of ODI cricket for India. Fitness का तो कोई concern है ही नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
Fielding fitness top notch.
I mean, जिस तरीके से वो बैटिंग कर रहा है यार हाल ही में.
Exactly.
I think it's probably in his best form.
Yeah, that was a tough decision as well. So I know they are saying that he doesn't make the cut because I think they are looking for Akshar Patel to fill in the all-rounder shoes, spinner all-rounder.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was also a tough call in my opinion.
Yeah, I mean, especially what he has done over the past few years for India. If they're saying कि 3 spinners की जगह नहीं बनती है, then कहीं ना कहीं ये South Africa में भी same conditions होंगी. तो yeah, I hope that is communicated well to him as well. But yeah, Washington Sundar is our another like spin bowling all-rounder. Kuldeep Yadav, Arshdeep Singh, Prasidh Krishna gets in. No Bumrah in this one. I think might be workload management because he's part of our T20.
I think Bumrah's next focus is going to be T20 World Cup, and that's why I think this is totally understandable because otherwise Bumrah walks in to any team anytime.
Yeah, absolutely. And then Harshit Rana kind of is now our new all-format player.
The great Harshit Rana.
Which probably doesn't play any format that well, but that's fine. So yeah, this is our squad for the Australia series. Still a very solid squad. So I
Yeah,
think
I
ऑस्ट्रेलिया
mean,
ने भी अपनी फुल प्रूफ स्क्वाड अनाउंस कर दी है, so it will be a good battle, I guess.
yeah, and T20 squad is also same as Asia Cup, 99%.
Yeah,
I think one change here is Hardik Pandya is being replaced by Nitish Kumar Reddy, and Washington Sundar comes in as a 16th member of the squad. But
yeah,
other than that, it is the same squad as Asia Cup. I think which is the right way to go.
yeah,
In this Australia series, will be important for T20 because the conditions will be slightly different than Dubai.
yeah,
I hope to see more of Harshdeep Singh
yeah,
and
absolutely.
who knows, Harshit Rana also.
कोई भरोसा नहीं, जिस तरीके से उसके 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 stars are aligned, जिस तरीके से लक्षण दिख रहे हैं, he might play all 5 matches, who knows. But yeah, it's a big series, like उनकी तरफ से भी they are playing really good T20 cricket right now, so it will be an even contest, I hope.
Yeah. And but yes, for the Australia series, most importantly, all eyes will be on Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli. And
भाई अक्टूबर नवंबर में मैं एक और बुरी खबर नहीं देख सकता हूँ, एक और पोस्ट नहीं देख सकता हूँ.
fingers crossed. Yeah, I hope they perform and let their bats do the talking.
Yeah,
अभी रोहित शर्मा को
yeah.
200 मारना पड़ेगा वापस.
to get, which is again the wrong philosophy, but yeah, comments में बताओ कि what do you think of this decision? Would you rather had like Rohit Sharma continue with captaincy all the way to 2027 World Cup, or you think right now is the right choice? We'll be looking for your feedback, and then we'll be back with some more cricket content before the Australia series. So yeah, stay tuned. Cheers.
Cheers.